Uh-oh. What is this? This was given to me from a family friend. No charger, no knowledge, literally just nothing. So, what are we working with here? Acer Aspire 5532. When was this fucking 16 years ago? This thing is a fossil. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to get this thing back up and running. I don't even know if this thing turns on. Oh, is this an original battery? Risk of explosion. All right, that's great to know. Okay, shove it back in there. So we're gonna take this thing apart, see what it has in it. Ooh, what's that? It has a little bit of bum juice or something on that. I don't know what the fuck that is. 320. 2010. 15 years old. What am I going to do with this hard drive? The responsible thing would be to, you know, get a replacement or, you know, replace it with something like an SSD, you know, something that would improve it. Yeah, no, we're just going to put it back in because I want to see what mysteries are on this. Ooh, that was crusty. DDR2. 1 gigabyte. That's quality. Back in its home. Put it back together. Quality. Alright. The next thing I want to do. Big reveal. Aw, that's boring. Aw, you fuck. Whatever. So, I mean, now we're gonna have to do the best part of this whole thing, and that's, you know, breaking out my favorite part, the China. This is a 17-in-1 charger kit I got off Amazon for like $14. And this thing is the best thing I ever bought. I buy a lot of things off Amazon. Here's a PCI to M.2 conversion. Here's an iMac screen repair kit. And they're all labeled. And I label everything. To this. To this. Ayo. Plug it in. Connecting. We're getting a charging LED? Kinda. It's just flickering. For some reason, I don't think this is the right charger. Oh. Much better. God bless the China. Look at that. Solid LED. No, not flickering. Let's see if this thing turns on, shall we? Look at that. What the fuck? What are we booting? No way. Can I listen to music? Oh my god. Do you hear that? So let's see what we're working with here. I need to see the screen. This is difficult. Let's open Task Manager. Performance. Oh my lord. I think it's like an AMD Athlon. I don't know. This computer is ancient. I mean, 2 gigs of DDR2. Is this the one? Is this Home Premium? Oh my god. This is Home Premium. We have everything. We have Free Cell, Purple Palace, Hearts. Oh my god. Alright, I'm bored. I mean, I have other machines. Like, I have a whole collection of these, dude. This thing's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Like, there's a dedicated Wi-Fi button. The speakers are not that bad either. Like, it's not that 180-degree screen for, like, a 15-year-old laptop. Like, this is cool. I mean, Windows 7 Home Premium, which I definitely didn't install. It's missing the serial number. This is Windows 7. This is a completely operational laptop, per se, I guess. I mean, for given to me for free, I'll take it. I don't know, like, this is pretty cool. I think that's all we're gonna do for today. If you guys like the video and want to see more of these stupid videos, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe, because I will definitely do more videos like this, because this is pretty cool. Again, I just want to set this in stone. This was free. This was given to me for free. Complete free. Free. Other than that, guys, thank you all for watching. Take it easy.